Let's come over and look at, let's do gold next. So GC, no change from last night's video update, and I did a particularly long video update last night. Sorry to bore you for twice as long as normal, but I wanted to go into a lot more detail on a few things, GC being one of them. So I'm looking up into this blue box zone here for the 4, then a final drop in the 5. We've got to hold 1149 on that next drop. If we don't, then we're in trouble in the metals, and the 2016 low in silver certainly would look to be under threat. Let's just take that down the time frames then. So 4 hour, there you go, just zooms the target in a little bit more. On the hourly, we've got the A in, I think, of this 4. The B overnight came down and just about tapped the 50% retrace at 1178. But while we're below 1189, that move down here can be the A. Then we get a B, C down to the 1172 region before we head up to somewhere between 1198 and 1208 for the 4, and then down again. A breach of 1208 gets my attention in GC. Anything below it is just noise, okay? 15-minute chart, by the way, just gives you the extra detail. All these charts are up to date on the site and are in the forum in their updated versions this morning as well. Day trading wise, we're just mulching around between the lines.